The birds are back, but look at this guy. He's tearing up a frog. I didn't know these guys eat frogs. The problem I'm having with these guys is that I just can't see. So I'm gonna try to sand it down. I'll sand the back first, make sure it can hold the lines. Fingers crossed, let's see if we can make it work. Prefer before starting to paint individual colors, I lay one main color over the whole thing, just as use it as a base or whatever you put before real paint on like a house. Birds are back, but look at this guy. He's tearing up a frog. I didn't know these guys eat frogs. Alright, let's finish up this guy and reveal it. This is the fun part. And finally they're all finished. Quite a bit of time later. I got a couple PlayStation controllers here for scale, because I think that's what kids do also when they play Pokemon and whatnot. Quite happy with how it came out. It wasn't too tricky, it was just rather tedious. I mean, it's a lot of hand painting of everything. And I just realized I should flatten out this piece real quick, I forgot. Alright, there we go, that's better. Otherwise it was kind of angled out all funny. But with the marker it's quite easy to do all the lines. I mean, the hand does get a little shaky, but from far enough away it's pretty good. But you can see it's not like 100% even. But something like that, it's great. Same way kind of like I have the Volt Boy here. The line's slightly imperfect, but from far away it's pretty damn amazing. So, I mean, there's quite a bit of colors on here. I mean, let's do the Blastoise over here. So we got two types of silver, so 1, 2, we got two colors of black, brown, so that's 5, and then we got light blue, middle blue, dark blue, red, darker red, and then that color beigeish, dark, basically my house paint. And then we also got the normal beige, so it's like 13 different colors. I was most worried about the flame, and that actually was one of the easiest part. And then this guy was quite a bit trickier. Great success, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. There you go, probably needs an update in a little bit. Got the R35, the Blastoise Project, next to some kind of a sick Mustang, next to my much more plain Infinity, pretty sick Supra.